Tandoori vegan chicken kebabs with raita, fresh coriander and a sprinkling of chili. Boom. This is a barbecue, and today's episode is all about barbecue vegan meat. Now, there's nothing in that barbecue yet because I'm busy making it, but today's menu is going to include Beyond Burgers, cooked in a BOSH style, tandoori chicken kebabs with a raita, they're going to be delicious, and barbecue tempeh ribs, flavored to perfection. And this is all going to be for MJ, my fiance's family. We're having a big barbecue to celebrate the last bit of sunshine. Now, before we get into the kitchen, I just want to say thank you for being here on this absolutely gorgeous day. One of the last days of this heat in summer, I think. Thanks for joining us. Do subscribe if you're not already. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. And of course, hit like if you like this video. Now let's get cooking. First on the menu is tandoori chicken, but vegan, obviously. For this, I've used soya chunks, covered them in coconut yogurt and also tandoori mix. And I'm just turning them into little kebabs. Barbecue is now up and running. We've got some coals in there. That's all looking good. So, we talked about the vegan meat we got going on. Over here, we have our burgers that we're gonna be making. Beyond Burgers, they're incredible. Some good sized burger buns. They're gonna fit them perfectly. As well as our BOSH burger sauce, caramelized onions with a balsamic dressing, and of course, some lettuce to go on top. Next up, I'm very excited about this. This is essentially tandoori chicken kebabs, but we're using soy instead of chicken, as well as a gorgeous little raita and some coriander for that peppery freshness. Gonna serve all of that on a tortilla to make it look really nice. And finally, for the third piece of vegan meat, tempeh ribs. So these are barbecue marinated tempeh ribs. They've been marinating for about 2 hours. We've got a cream cheese covered little slice of bread and some rocket to go on top, as well as our balsamic onions. That is gonna be an incredible spread. And of course, to make sure it's really easy, I've used little metal takeaway containers. They will be reused, but it just makes life a load easier so you can bring everything out together and be super organized. Let's get cooking. We have tandoori vegan chicken, so that is made with soy chunks, marinated with yogurt and a tandoori dressing. I've made a little yogurt raita, just gonna go on top of a tortilla, sprinkle over some fresh coriander and some chili. Tandoori vegan chicken kebabs with raita, fresh coriander and a sprinkling of chili. Boom. And the final meat dish, we've got barbecue tempeh ribs with a little bit of rocket and caramelized onions, on top of a tiny little slice of bread that's covered with cream cheese. That is gonna be gorgeous.
The barbecue's over and it was very delicious, all really full, but now we're clearing up this. I'd say it's a mess, but actually we've eaten pretty much everything and we've fed 10 fully meat eaters and they all loved it.
What did you think, guys?
Oh, amazing.
Excellent.
And so we are done. The meat eaters are all over there. They loved the vegan barbecue. I loved it too. We had a really tasty Beyond Burger with all the trimmings. We had that gorgeous barbecue tempeh and we had the tandoori vegan chicken as well. It was incredible, it was organized, it was there on time. All in all, a wonderful event. Guys, we hope you've enjoyed this video. This is another one from us in our day-to-day lives. Hit subscribe if you're not already, because we make videos like this every single day. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. Hit like if you like this video and we will see you tomorrow.
Bish,
bash, bosh!